How to redeem the Delta Companion Certificate. Hey guys, and let's get started. As a Delta SkyMiles Reserve Business, Platinum or Platinum Business Card member, you will receive a companion certificate with which you can invite someone special to fly with you on an eligible round trip, domestic, Caribbean, or Central American flight. So, in order to redeem it, first of all, you have to search for Companion Certificate Delta and it'll open this page. From here, you can find a companion certificate or you can just tap on redeem the certificate. To redeem it, you directly have a button called as redeem now on this page. The process is select and review your flights, then confirm your purchase, and once that is done, make sure to use of redeeming the companion certificate that is available for you. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.